doing today? I
Hi.
cannot believe that you all have agreed to come on this one frame. Okay, I am so happy and so grateful that you all have agreed to come and do this, because इतने टाइम से मॉडलिंग की फील्ड में with Fashion Week or with other projects I've been there, and इतने सारे aspiring models, they have so much that they all want to learn and know, and they just do not get the right place to go and ask for, because सब लोग इतना उनको गलत बोलते हैं, and they come back and they say, sir ऐसा बोला वैसा बोला, which is not the right case at all. So it is at home. Let's make it useful. By the way, Corona, how's it going? Candice is cooking.
Well, I take it in a positive stride, to be honest. अभी ये सोच के तो मैं 3 months के लिए sad तो नहीं रह सकती हूँ. So I've always been positive as a person since most of my friends know me. And always,
Too positive.
always have this thing about always, how do you say, empty mind is a devil's workshop.
Yes.
So I always want to learn something. I always want to experiment things. So I used to. This has been 20 years that I complete now in this industry.
Wow.
So, Thank you, guys. So I always believe that there's so much more that we can offer, and there's so much more that we can learn, and never stop learning, no matter how young or old you are.
Fantastic.
So always take it
how is Corona going?
in my positive side.
Sorry?
Huh?
How is Corona going?
Corona should just go. I'm done with Corona.
Go Corona, go.
Go Corona, go. Honestly tired. In the beginning, I was like, okay, fine, meditation, and I'm going to know more of myself and center myself. I'm done centering. I'm done meditating. Now I want to start working. Enough. I just want to get back to work.
हो गया अभी सब सेटल हो गया. Archana, how's it going for you?
Well,
Person has
I
started
just
working.
had a fabulous holiday with a bunch of girlfriends just before the lockdown could start.
Wow.
So I went to Bali for I think about a week, and then after that,
we all hate you right now. We all hate you.
Yeah.
No, I'm sailing with Ashwita, but I traveled quite a bit before the lockdown. My birthday ended and then the lockdown started. So
Our birthday.
Lucky you.
Yours and mine is the same time.
oh, sorry.
Correct.
Yeah. Listen here, Anjali,
Nisha.
and you all of us start speaking now.
Yeah.
home after that.
Nisha,
Yeah, I mean,
how's the
had to
lockdown
stay.
going?
Yes, sir. It's just like I'm bored in my house, so I have my low exam, third year exam. So that is, I'm just putting my efforts to make third year. I can be top in my college. So I thought, okay, fine,
brilliant.
I
Wow.
can use my time.
Guys,
I wish you all
the
Nisha
best.
आज भी शूट कर रही है और शूट में अपना टाइम निकाल के आई है ये लाइव करने के लिए आप लोग से बात करने. Thank you so much, Nisha.
That's great.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure to talk to you guys.
Thank you. अंजलि जी, कैसा जा रहा है आपका लॉकडाउन?
I think like बुरा तो नहीं बोल सकते. Of course, like this tough time हम सबको बहुत सारे चीजें सिखा के गए हैं. वैसे तो like I like to stay at home. मुझे अगर काम हो तो काम करना अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आजकल काम नहीं है, तो मैं अपना रूटीन अच्छे से फॉलो कर रही हूँ कि जो काम के बाद कभी शो होता तो अच्छे से रूटीन फॉलो नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मैं जल्दी सो जाती हूँ, 10 बजने से पहले मोबाइल ऑफ करती हूँ, उसके बाद 5 बजे या 6 बजे उठती हूँ, योगा करती हूँ एंड लाइक कुछ करती हूँ घर का काम. बस ऐसे इतना बोरिंग नहीं है घर में रहना. बट अभी रिसेंटली आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग एवरीडे जर्नल और मैंने 2 डायरी खरीदे हैं. एक मेरा पास का स्टोरीज लिखने के लिए, एक अभी एवरीडे का. बस ऐसे चल
Very good. क्या बात है.
Good, Anjali.
रेहा कुछ सीख, 10 बजे सो जाती है. Janti, coming to you, how's the lockdown going?
I think it's good, as same as Candice told, that it's in a positive direction, and same I have my pets and all. I'm always cleaning my house. अभी इसका कुछ होता है, कभी उसका I have a huge OCD problem, so I just sit मैं बैठती हूँ and I see that थोड़ा सा वहाँ बाल गिरा है तो उसको फिर से साफ करो, and I'm cooking.
Wow.
And and I'm
बाल तो
cooking.
गिरता ही पता नहीं इतना बाल है सभी.
I know.
I have 4 pets. I have 4
Shabash,
About
eh?
we have 4 pets and
You are
we have
great.
baal also.
So I'm cooking and all, and then making new things. I have started. I was watching all these TikTok videos and all how they make all these candles and soaps, and also I've started with all that.
Wow.
And
पोछा किस किसने
but
लगाया
yeah,
है? पोछा किस किसने लगाया है घर में?
सबसे ज्यादा मैंने लगाया
मेरा
है, for
हाथ
sure.
dry, यार, like, it's so dry. Like I can't tell you. I can't shoot now anymore. My hands are gone. Like
मेरा तो एवरीडे मैं खुद से
धोए?
करती हूँ, मेरा कोई नहीं करता,
I've
बर्तन झाड़ू सब everything I do myself at my
I'm
home.
model made
No
it.
maid.
Same here, yeah.
I don't
कोरोना
get
कभी
paid
नहीं आएगा
also.
हाथ में. There is so much soap in our hands all the time. Like
Yeah,
all this
all the
water and
time.
all कभी नहीं आने वाला हाथ पे.
Exactly.
You know,
So guys,
I
you
feel
all are
like
listening, no? ये जितने भी जो हैं, मैंने उसमें भी लिखा था पोस्ट के अंदर भी लीडिंग मॉडल्स आज की डेट में भी अपने घर में सब बैठ के इंक्लूडिंग मी झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन
Yeah.
सब करती है.
Yes.
pretty good.
All rounder.
ऑलराउंडर है सारे.
rounder.
Okay, so ladies, so this was now, you know, I just want to come into the right point now. Modeling. One by one, if you can just tell me what has been your tenure as a model and what do you basically specialize in? Whether you are a ramp model, you are an editorial model, you are an advertising world model, are you a combination of that? What is it? So people kind of, when they listen to you, they know what you stand for in the modeling field. Starting with Janti.
Yes. Oh, what is-
Okay, so I think I started with being a ramp model. I think back in 2015 I was a ramp model, and then I started going to editorials. I started doing all these magazine shoots and all. And but right now, from last 3 years, I would say I'm doing a lot of TV series and commercial work and all. So yes, it's I think I will say I'm a combination model, like a combined combination of everything. But yes, I really like my journey of how I started from a ramp model, but I really want to do ramp again. Like that's something that I always wanted to do. That's something that,
उसपे मैं आऊंगा. Before we go forward from Janti, I will just like to tell everybody, ये जो इतनी humbly बता रही है ना, मैं सिर्फ ads करती हूँ. थोड़े brands के नाम बता दूँ. Close Up, JK Malaya campaign, Rare Heritage, Tata Click, Irasva. Irasva का तो I think she's the face. Everywhere that Irasva comes as a full page, it's Janti's face. Studio West, NMR campaign, Lakme face wash, Carrot Lane, and I'm like, are you feeling anything, babes? Janti started with India's Next Top Model, and then she kind of.
Oh, wow.
Very proud of you, Janti. Moving on to
Thank you.
Rekha.
So guys, my
Hi.
one hand only.
Reha.
Yeah, so I started in 2010, so it's been what, 10 years now?
Yes.
Woohoo, half a decade.
Oh my God.
again.
But yeah, I'm not counting 2020 because we've done nothing.
Nothing.
So 9 years.
9 years.
It's been 9 years.
Listen, we did Fashion Week in February. Don't lie.
But Feb, that was 2 months. And उसके बाद क्या?
कुछ नहीं.
But झाड़ू सफाई.
चालू किया मैं. Okay.
Yeah.
So Reha, you basically are only a ramp model, or you do campaigns as well.
I do ramp and I do campaigns and print shoots for designers.
Okay.
And yeah, these two are the things that I primarily do.
Okay. Now moving on to Anjali. Anjali, आप कैसे अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे एज अ मॉडल? कितनी देर से आप मॉडल कर रही हैं और किस किस टाइप की मॉडलिंग करती हैं?
Well, मैंने मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी 2009 में. उससे पहले तो मुझे मॉडलिंग क्या है, कहाँ से क्या, मतलब कुछ भी मालूम नहीं था. लाइक यू नो इट जस्ट हैपेंड टू मी. जब मैं गांव से शहर आई थी स्कूल फिनिश करके, तब तक भी मुझे मॉडलिंग का एम तक पता नहीं था. तो सब लोग बोलने लगे मॉडलिंग जैसे दिखते मॉडलिंग करने चाहिए. 2005 में फाइनली आई डिस्क्लोज माय आइडेंटिटी. देन कम्युनिटी सेंटर में जाके भी सब लोग बोलने लगे कि ट्राई करना चाहिए. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें? यू नो स्टार्टिंग में तो आई वाज लाइक वेरी मच स्ट्रगलिंग विद माय सेल्फ, विद माय आइडेंटिटी.
अंजलि, आप आइडेंटिटी बोल रहे हो, सॉरी, आप आइडेंटिटी बोल रहे हो, कैन यू प्लीज जस्ट टेल आइडेंटिटी?
या ट्रांसजेंडर, क्योंकि मैं जन्म हुआ एज अ लाइक मेल. तो 2005 से ही आई स्टार्टेड लाइक लिविंग इन दिस गेटअप और दिस वे, कि मैं पहले से तो फील करती थी आई फील लाइक अ वुमन फ्रॉम वुमन सोल. तो फाइनली आई डिस्क्लोज माय आइडेंटिटी इन 2005. देन फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने 2007 में ट्रांसजेंडर के ब्यूटी पैजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया. तो उसमें कुछ मतलब कुछ विन नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
Wow.
देन फाइनली 2009 में एक नेपाल का नेशनल मैगजीन जिसने हम दो ट्रांसजेंडर को कवर गर्ल बनने का चांस दिया, तो देन ओनली आई डिसाइडेड टू बी अ मॉडल 2009 में। उसके बाद मॉडलिंग में आने के बाद ही पता चला कि मॉडलिंग में बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज होती है, फैशन मॉडल और कमर्शियल, ऐसे टीवीसी डिजाइनर्स बहुत सारे। तो धीरे धीरे लाइक आई स्टार्टेड देन।
तो आप अभी स्पेशलाइज
अभी आज यहाँ हूँ।
जहाँ तक मैं आपको जानता हूँ, आप मेजरली रैंप मॉडलिंग करती हैं।
यस, रैंप करती हूँ और कभी सम लाइक डिजाइनर्स सम ब्रांड्स का कैंपेन शूट भी करती हूँ और मैगजीन का। तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैं भी फैशन रैंप लीड करती हूँ, एंड आई लव टू बी रैंप मॉडल।
ओके, कमिंग टू निशा नाउ। निशा, जो कि आज कैंपेन शूट कर रही है।
Okay, so as maybe you guys know or maybe don't, so I have started my journey after India's Next Top Model, which is in 2018. So after that, I took almost 6 months break because, you know, I was very new and I was not having any contact that time. So I was in Mumbai and not having a single job for 6 months, and I locked myself in a room for 6 months. Then I left Mumbai because I thought, you know, my career has already gone and I will not come back. Then suddenly I got a message from Neeraj Gaba sir. That time Lakme Fashion Week was going on, and he said like, Nisha, you wanna come and there is a show, like if you wanna do extra show. So I said okay, fine. From there I have started my journey again, and where I met Smriti Irani, and then this is almost 1 year I'm working like
back to back.
Good, I can say.
Wow.
So now my journey has started, I can say.
मतलब, और मैं आप सब देखने वालों को ये भी बता दूं कि निशा की स्टोरी वैसे आप सब लोग जानते हो। निशा इज रियली, जैसे उनके इंट्रोडक्शन में भी लिखा है, शी इज द डॉटर ऑफ लैंड, शी इज अ फार्मर्स डॉटर। वो कहाँ से शुरू करके कहाँ पहुंच रही है, ये जर्नी जो है, और अभी धीरे धीरे निशा ने जहां तक मुझे बताया है, शायद वो इंटरनेशनल भी जाने वाली है। वो अभी इन लोगों से सबसे बात करेंगे। कमिंग टू अर्चना। अर्चना जी, हाँ बताइए।
So I basically started my modeling career, which wasn't a very serious career in my life because I've always been into sports and I wanted to like really get into like sports mainly, basketball and field hockey player. And also I was
nice.
You know, in my introduction I was you know, I told you I was a tomboy. Like I never knew anything about waxing, eyebrows, or even dressing up. You know, like you know, like studio penna and you know these things. So or even earrings. Like you know, I've got like 3 earlobes, like 3 holes in my earlobes.
Not 3
holes in my earlobes because I used to never like to wear earrings, so they used to always close. And finally, I remember my mom like really being so irritated with me. Like she took me to the jeweler and got it pierced when I just finished my 10th grade. So I was like 15 years old then. So when I started, it was during, you know, in college, back in 2008. So I just did it like in college, and then in 2009, I started working with Prasad and he did a few shows, and that's when I went my first trip. I got my passport and I went to Colombo for the Fashion Week for the first time. Like ever that I did a Fashion Week was in Colombo in 2009. And then after that, I think a few designers from Mumbai came and, you know, they liked my walk. Sanchita Ajampur, who showcases in Delhi for Wills, which was then. All of them had taken part, and I think, you know, my contact went to a few choreographers and like IMG in Mumbai, and they called me and they asked me to come to audition in Mumbai, and that's how I got into Lakme.
And Archana, you are basically a ramp model, or you do, I mean, I know, but I want everybody else also to know, you do ramp model, and what else? What else do you do?
So I started off with only doing ramp, runway, mainly. That was my only driving force. I loved walking. So yeah. But then when I did fashion weeks, you know, there are a lot of editors as well as stylists, as well as magazines that are sitting and watching, you know, all the newcomers. And that's how I I got casted for a lot of editorial shoots.
Yeah.
So then I used to do editorial and runway. And then after that, when you do editorial, that's when you're exposed in magazines. And that's when designers approach you for their campaigns.
Yeah.
And that's how, one thing led to another. And
Yeah.
except for TVCs in India, I kind of,
That's why
Do
people
everything.
wrote to me,
Yeah.
That's why people wrote to me saying that Archana जैसे सब्यासाची का campaign करती है ना, हमें भी वैसा करना है. Just people putting it out there. Coming on to Candice now. Candice. Oh God, what Paul? You're waiting for your turn. How are you?
No, that's why I was going to start from the other way around, because then Mana will go there, only you have to write a story.
No.
My journey actually started when I was 16.
Wow.
Since my parents were always actually started in terms of, I've always been a all-rounder from school.
Yeah.
I used to be like very good in studies and sports and performing. So my parents always insisted I go to every beauty pageant that was around the vicinity. Started from being the area that I live in, Kurla, which actually sounds a bit funny, but I was Kurla Queen.
Oh, you miss Kurla?
Kurla, yeah, there was Kurla Queen. It used to be like a pageant.
Kurla Queen.
So I've actually won that also. So it started from my parents sent me for Look of the Year, Femina Look of the Year, which is one of the biggest pageants at that time. And I was actually rejected because they said I was overweight and you're still young. So they said you can still lose weight and come back.
Yeah.
And I was still doing my college at that time. I think I was in my junior college. And then again, my parents sent an application for the Glad Rags supermodel. That obviously got accepted.
Yeah.
So I won Glad Rags in 2000 and I was still finishing my college. Yeah, I was in my second year degree college. So by the time I got my degree in economics, I was trying to do my MBA. And then obviously I started getting job opportunities. So you know how the money is quite tempting. I still remember my first clip that I got for my shoot was $5,000, which 5,000 felt like 5 lakhs at that time.
And listen, that time 5,000 was a lot of money.
Yeah, it's Ella, yeah.
You know, the excitement of getting, receiving income at such a young age felt like a lot of money. So that whole thing about shuffling between doing my MBA and my shows started. But you know, when I started modeling, it was like 2 shows in the month, and the 2 shows felt like as if I'm doing like 20 shows in the month. I used to look forward to doing those shows. So that's how my started. And I was obviously working with a very strong group of amazing set of supermodels.
Yeah.
What are you trying to say? These girls are not good?
No, we had very
Don't put words in our mouth.
Yes.
limited number of girls, and it was not like we had agencies. There was you girls were not really welcome so easily. If you had to go fashion week, the designer would ask for the garment. They will see if they want you.
If
It is
they
not
want
like
I agree.
Yeah.
if they want you.
Yeah.
So we had to be really good to fit into this bracket of 15 girls, and now we have like so many groups. There you had only like 2 groups of girls.
Yeah.
So you have to really fight. And then we had beauty pageants. So I won Glad Rags in 2000, and I won an international pageant, Miss Tourism Worldwide, in 2002.
Wow.
So I started my career basically after that.
Okay.
So it gave me an opportunity to finish my education, which I was looking forward to. I think it's so important to have a degree after studying for so many years of your life, at least at that time for me.
Yeah.
So I've done everything, name it. I've done music videos, I've done ads, I've done editorials. Editorials was big because that pageant holders were big.
Yeah.
So we always were on covers, we were always there, and you know, that's how it started. So over 20 years, I have seen like fashion change drastically. I wouldn't say for the worse, or it has its own pros and cons. If I start discussing it right now, it would be like quite a lengthy conversation we're having. So my journey has been
cool. So you've done everything. So that takes me, I will take your cue and I will go on to the next question.
Yes.
What does modeling mean to you? So
Now, modeling is something that started off as something that my mom wanted me to do, something that I never wanted to get into. I always wanted to study and you know that firsthand. You've been through that. You've literally been there at the very beginning. So even when it came to, she first tried with my brother and failed because he did not want to get into modeling. Then she's like, let me shift my focus to Reha. Let's see if she wants to. And she sent in my pictures for Miss Universe India. And thereafter, you know, you know.
Everybody,
So,
they should know.
yeah, I know. So no, that's where I met Neeraj for the very first time, and so I was the first runners up there.
Do not get into the story of why she was the first runner-up and not the winner.
No. Yeah.
Moving on.
Yeah. So yeah, like much like what Archana said, I was exactly like that. I was a tomboy,
Tomboy,
and
yeah.
I knew nothing about being a girl as such. Much less wearing heels and walking, and everyone around me was like professionals, and I just felt like a fish out of water.
Too nice for Reha.
Yeah.
You never have your shoe
But-
size either.
Oh, please. That's been going on
What?
for you, Reha, now they're bitching about you.
You can slap people
Okay,
with
I
that.
have big feet, and my shoe size is the problem. Okay, it's out there. Girls who want to know where I get my shoes from, if you have big feet, get in touch with me. DM me on Instagram. Okay, moving on.
Okay, moving on to Nisha. Nisha, what does modeling mean to you?
For me, like it's a food for me. Like I cannot survive without food, and it's like I cannot survive without modeling because
पिछले एक साल में आपके ऊपर इतना बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया इस मॉडलिंग वर्ल्ड का. Good. I will bring that up later on. Very good. Say, Archana.
So basically, I used to be an introvert. Like I used to not talk a lot, and I used to always be in my little cocoon in school. And modeling, what has brought out of me was a confidence to face people, confidence to talk, confidence to face a large gathering. For a lot of people, it might be very overwhelming to face a large crowd, especially whether be it, a shoot set or like a runway or like why even this interview, like I would be so scared to even like answer a question in class. But this has definitely opened up my my personality. So I think modeling, what it means to me is that it brought about such a change and positive change in my personality that I think I can face the world right now. It's given me so much of confidence.
Wow. See, we have all heard now the good bits of modeling, but I know and you all know कि इस अच्छाई के पीछे there is a lot more that happens behind the scenes that does not need. I would like to get onto that now, and there is no better to talk about it than Candice. So many things that normally people do not know. Good things we all have heard because it's all flash, it's all outside. What
Is it though?
real modeling career? Now tell me that.
First, people need to know what the definition of modeling is all about. First, it comes from the first term. Model means a different kind of form or a shape or how you picture or you mold something out. So when you consider yourself a model, first you have to be very passionate about what you do. Secondly, you need to know that, give yourself 5 years and see how you fare in this industry. Because if I had to say this 10 years ago, things were a little more contained. Now it's a little more widespread. You have agencies, you have contacts, you have people influencing each other. It's more like a herd mentality. If one person is picked up from the crowd, that person is only pushed, and they forget the remaining 9 people in the crowd. So things have changed. So you have to play your cards really well. You always have to have a backup plan. When I say backup means you need to be good in not just being a model. I'm not saying not to focus on it, but you also need to know, give yourself a chance to learn and experience other things. You might you have a lot of great commercial faces. People love doing ramp, but if I had a face which could mold into 100 things, out of this is something more as well. But that time everything was very limited. Now the choices are more, so you have to be a little more fast in thinking. So as I said, that you have to really use your head and have very few friends and family around you to give you the right advice, and always ask for help if you are in doubt about anything.
Yeah.
So when I was saying something that does not meet the eye, I actually was asking for something behind the scenes. People see what is all nice and glossy, what comes printed, what walks on the ramp and all that. I want to understand you as models. You all are experienced models. You all have experienced that backstage. You all have experienced that preparation. Because there are many things there that are not very nice and cordial. I want those realities to be shared. Reha, Anjali, I'll say करता हूँ आपकी तरफ. जब आप as a transgender model आई, ठीक है, रैंप पे तो जब आप चले, आप अकेले चले, वो आपने अपना काम किया, उसमें कोई कुछ कर नहीं सकता है. when you entered that backstage area as a transgender model, how were you made to feel? How was life then?
आई थिंक जब स्टार्टिंग में मैं फैशन वीक कर रही थी तो मेरा लाइफ में मैंने मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी 2009 में. तो मैंने फैशन वीक यहाँ इंडिया में आके लैक्मे फैशन वीक से स्टार्ट की थी. तो मुझे फैशन वीक का कोई नॉलेज नहीं था. व्हेन आई वेंट टू बैक स्टेज आई वाज लाइक लिटिल नर्वस एंड थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ, थोड़ा सा एक्साइटेडमेंट भी थी क्योंकि मैंने कभी लाइफ में फैशन वीक नहीं की थी. मेकअप के बाद जो ड्रेस चेंज करते आई वाज लाइक लिटिल बिट like uncomfortable myself being a transgender. सब लोग किसी का परवाह नहीं है कि कौन कैसे कपड़े बदल रहे, कौन किसका क्या, कोई देखने का चांस नहीं, मतलब होता नहीं है. तो आई वाज अ लिटिल बिट, मैं ऐसे शर्मा के इधर से किसी का कोई नहीं, जस्ट हैप्पी लाइक हमें स्टेज में जाना है, टाइम पे पहुंचे, वहां जाके अपना परफॉर्मेंस देना है. कि मैं आई वाज अ लिटिल बिट, कोई नंगा है, कोई क्या है, किसी का परवाह, जस्ट जल्दी करो देन भागो. दैट वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, आई वाज लाइक एंजॉयिंग एवरी मोमेंट.
मैं अंजलि के साथ थी. I've also been with Arsha in the first fashion week. So I've been with some of the girls in their first fashion week. And I've always, I know Anjali was quite nervous because उसने पहले कभी कपड़े बदला नहीं था इतनी लड़कियों के सामने, but she was a little conscious. Even the designers giving her clothes, she has a great body, so designers used to give her clothes and she was really uncomfortable. But actually it took a while, and I also told her that if you're uncomfortable, tell the designer, they will understand. So it took her a while, but she was a little hesitant.
Wow. So Nisha, जब कोई मॉडल बनना चाहता है तो उनको आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे? क्या उनको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए अपने आप को मेंटली और फिजिकली?
फर्स्ट थिंग तो ये कि अपने आप को पहले एग्जामिन करो कि वेदर यू आर लिटरली योर बॉडी, योर सोल और योर माइंड लिटरली वांट्स टू बी ए मॉडल, और जस्ट ये बाहर की जो दुनिया है इसमें तुम्हें देख के अच्छा लगता है कि ओ वाओ मॉडल ऐसे ग्लैमरस लाइफ जीते हैं, या सिर्फ ये अट्रैक्ट करता है, या लिटरली आप में वो एक है पैशन या फिर बॉडी लैंग्वेज और सब कुछ चीजें. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड, आप उसके साथ साथ अपनी बॉडी, अपना हेल्थ, अपना मेंटल लेवल, हर एक चीज सेट करके रखो. फैमिली आपके लिए बहुत मैटर करती है क्योंकि बीइंग ए मॉडल, आई एम वेरी फ्रैंकली सेइंग, अभी तक मुझे एक साल में कोई फ्रेंड नहीं मिला है इस इंडस्ट्री में. तो एक ऐसा मोड आता है इस टाइम में कि जब यू रियलाइज लाइक यू आर वेरी फार फ्रॉम योर फैमिली एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. So at the end you feel like alone. तो तुम अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहोगे, एटलीस्ट उनसे बातें करोगे, उनको डिस्कस करोगे, उनको बताओगे कि what you are suffering right now, what you are facing and how things are going on. So second thing, family and very frank and बहुत एफर्ट करने पड़ते हैं क्योंकि हम इंडिया वालों में ज्यादा बहुत कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं कि मॉडल तो ऐसे होती हैं, मॉडल्स तो ये होती हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. डिपेंड करता है पर्सन टू पर्सन. हर जगह ऐसे लोग होते हैं और हर जगह ऐसे अच्छे भी होते हैं और हर जगह ऐसे होते हैं, पर आप कैसे, ये मैटर करता है.
बोलो.
हाँ, एक सेकंड. जैसे अभी आपने बोला, कैंडिस ने बोला कि एक बैकअप प्लान जरूर रखना चाहिए होता है. तो मैं अभी लॉयर हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि कल मेरा कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है और कुछ भी हो जाता है तो एटलीस्ट आई कैन I can earn something to survive.
Reha, now Nisha spoke about the mental bit of it. You, I know, are a great physical transformation story because. So please talk about that. Please talk about how important and what made you go through that change.
See, when you're in a pageant, automatically, when you're going through grueling training, be it in terms of ramp walk and etiquettes and makeup and hair, it is something that you learn as a byproduct of the entire experience. Whether you like it or you're not, you learn it. You leave with you for life. That confidence that allows you to stand up in front of a crowd and speak. You know, public speaking has been one of my major problems. And having said that, the pageant helped with that. The pageant helped with me walking tall, with me owning my height and loving my height as opposed to being embarrassed about it.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'1".
Okay.
Yeah. So as a tall girl, and I know girls who are like about 5'7", 5'8", they speak about being tall and they're like, "Arey, aapse milne to pehle." I used to think I was the tallest. Like I have heard not everyone.
Same here.
So all tall girls have faced low confidence in their life because all their friends are much shorter than them. and you're constantly slouching. You're made to feel like that. You're made to feel like an alien. You're called names such as, like Ashoka ki pear and giraffe and all of that, which
Yeah.
even I'm called today, but I'm called with love from my friends, and it doesn't affect me. It affected me mentally back then.
Yeah.
Today, I'm extremely proud of who I am. My height is something I can do nothing about, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my USPs,
Exactly.
in fact.
Exactly.
Yeah, and modeling has taught me that. Modeling has helped with that. It has made me proud of my height. It's the only industry where I was told not to slouch and actually to put my shoulders back and stand straight and stand tall. And so I owe so much in terms of my own confidence even in personal life to modeling itself. Having said that, what you need to prepare before you get into modeling is you need to take a good hard look at yourself in the mirror. You need to look at your skin. You need to look at your hair. You need to look at your body. It is a cutthroat industry. There are new models coming in from all over the world now, not just in India, but all over the world. And it's extremely competitive. And if you're going to make it, you need to make sure you're ready and you're prepared as of today. And only once you have prepared yourself in terms of, your body is great, your your skin's good.
You're good to go. You're prepared.
Correct. Then you go and approach agencies.
Okay.
You might not have the.
We will go to
Yeah.
the agency a little bit later. I want to come to
Yeah.
Archana now. Archana, now I'm going to ask each one of you. So in just one line, tell me this. One quality that you imbibed after becoming a model, which you didn't have, but which has helped you be a model for this long game.
Confidence.
Confidence.
Just how to carry myself.
Okay.
Confidence like
And
one
not
on
yet on
one.
one.
Yeah. I mean, that changes eventually when you're made to wear
It does.
heels, the little boot tubes and walk around.
Can you all imagine?
But
Sabyasachi
confidence or
lehenga
something.
choli. And now imagine. The
Now
top
lehenga choli and
Coming to Janti. Janti, that one quality that you imbibed that is helping.
Loving yourself for sure. Confidence and loving yourself.
I'm going to take you on that loving yourself because I know why you're saying that.
Well, I've grasped a lot of experience, knowledge, and my public relations skills have become much better.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm still learning. I've learned a lot because industry changes every 2 years.
Wow.
It's a very fast-paced industry.
I think you just have to be yourself.
Very good. Very good. Nisha.
I think, gratitude, because, I was very rough kind of girl before, but
Okay.
right now I know like how to respect someone who is doing something for you, and you are not doing anything. Still, I'm very, lacking of that, but I'm putting my effort to make, if someone is doing something for me, then I'm very thankful and gratitude. I show gratitude towards them.
I just laughed because I know Nisha when she was there on INTM and she had a little bit of that. I will give her that.
And I saw it too.
Okay, now, ladies, like we were discussing, now we are going behind the scenes. There are a lot of myths when it comes to modeling as an industry. I'm going to keep giving you one myth, and I will pick on specifics because I know they have. First myth is मॉडलिंग के अंदर अगर आपको घुसना है ना तो आपको एक खूबसूरत लड़की होना चाहिए. आपको अगर आपका रंग साफ है तो वो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. I'm going to take two girls on this, two models, which is Archana and Janti, because I know they have made careers based out of dusky skin. Archana, go first.
When I started, it was very difficult. Touch wood, I was blessed with a good walk and the personality to carry out the designer's outfit on the runway. But when I was given an outfit to hold during the fittings or trials, I don't think in my first 2 seasons of Fashion Week, I was chosen a lot many times. Mm-hmm. Also because, I do agree I lacked confidence back then, but I felt like it was also about my color because there were a lot more Ukrainians and Brazilians who were also a part of the group.
Yeah.
And they were chosen a lot more. So I used to feel bad. I used to come back home from trials and I used to cry myself to sleep. मैं रोती थी बहुत, and
Aren't you, baby?
No.
yeah, it used to hurt my feelings, and I was like, do I really want to put myself through this? Like, why should I be judged on color? To just like, literally, you're not smiling, you're not talking, you're literally made to walk the ramp. Like, why are people choosing you because of not choosing you because of your color?
Correct.
But again, I don't know if my stars were lucky, or I should just say that luck was on my side. A lot of stylists started noticing me, and they wanted to use me for editorials. And I really need to thank them because they believed in me. And Neeraj, you just need one person to believe you. Okay, but that one person should have the power to change everyone's idea about you.
You.
And can I now, while you have said so, can I say this, and I'll take this leeway here? I think, Archana, people like you have become that one person for so many dusky skin tone girls.
Yes.
Because, you have achieved so much with the dusky skin tone. That's why I'm saying you. That
Okay.
you have opened many doors, and somewhere now the dusky skin is appreciated. I will take this now further on to Janti.
The starting was really sad for me because I was in a beauty pageant back in my hometown that is called Nautilus Diva. And my mom actually told me that you should go for this pageant, and I had, as Archana said, a tomboy. I had no idea about beauty pageants. I just knew that Priyanka Chopra and Aishwarya Rai and Sushmita Sen was the winner, and I had no idea who was the recent winners and all. But I still went for okay, fine, let's just go for experience and all. And when I went there, I actually saw Mark Robinson all giving me importance, and it was the first time someone gave me importance because of my skin color. And then I gave my best and I won the pageant. And when the show came in the TV and all, everyone from my hometown was against me because everyone was like, why this girl, dark girl, is a winner? Because back in my hometown, everyone is a fair skin tone color people, and there's very few people who are in my skin tone. So they were like, why this Kali Ladki? Because I was going to Miss India after that, and I was representing my state.
Yeah.
They're like, इसको कुछ नहीं आता, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. But I went to Miss India, and there also I gained a lot of confidence because everyone loved my skin tone and all. And slowly, and I got Miss Photogenic and Fashion Icon, and I was in top 10. And that's the time I was like, people are like, oh wow, she's doing so good. And I'm like, yeah, just 1 month back they were making fun of me, and now you're saying, wow, so proud of me. Yeah. So you're the proud. Yeah, you're pride of our state, and I'm like, yeah, pata chal gaya tum log kya ho. And after that, I think I came to INT after that, and when I came to Mumbai, I
can tell you now.
I was in Bangalore.
I don't know why I have this thing in my life. Wherever I get associated with, first runner-ups are always my most famous. Nisha, Neha, everybody is here who's the first runner-up.
Then I was in Bangalore studying, and I was with Prasad Bidappa, and I was working with him. And then after that, I came to Bombay, and Bombay gave me a lot of confidence. I mean, so much love from the people here. And I actually thought that people back in my hometown, people here, there's so much difference in here. And there's so much difference. And when I went to fashion industry, I was like, there were some people, like Archana said, that there are some people who actually wants fair models, and they actually reject it. Yeah. They make you wear the dress, and they will go to the people and like, no. And then they're like, Janti, can you just change the dress? And then I'm like, what happened?
But I have to kind of come in here and say that, I mean, if I can say for the other side now, a lot of dusky faces. I think this is one of those professions where duskiness is really appreciated, and people want dusky faces to come forward. And it is because of the kind of work that models like Archana and Janti are putting in, that they're establishing it that skin color doesn't matter. We actually want to when we bring in our hard work also.
True.
Now the next question that I have is for Candice Pinto.
Oh,
Candice, this is a little strong one. Reha, you can also come in if you want to.
I like strong.
Go for it, Candy.
Anjali, इसमें आप ही बोल सकते हो Anjali. I want to know how in film industry as they talk about casting couch.
Film industry.
Have you? Yes, casting couch. Ever faced anything of that sort in the modeling world?
I never came across that, but yeah, back in the days, we used to have this dual because everything used to be on email. Very few messages used to come. So I used to get mails where people used to offer jobs out of the country. Some amazing package of money for 7 weeks, like so much of money that
Yeah.
and I really find it really funny because I'm not so dumb to not know that what. But there are people who do it.
Yeah. That's why. That's
situation.
Why. Because I want.
So I used and they actually tell me that there are people who are doing it. So what's the big deal about you doing it? And I used to be like, is this person really convincing me? So ऐसा भी होता है industry में. So it's some people need the money, they do it, and some people just do it because maybe they like the glamour part of that side of the whatever you call that.
Yeah.
So yeah, you come across stuff like that.
Reha, have you ever been propositioned?
Never. Touch wood. In the modeling industry, I will not speak about any other industry. I'll speak about the industry that I know.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been propositioned or no lewd remarks or anything has been made, and I've never had to do anything in order to get a job.
Very good.
Ever. That has never happened. And so if there are people, if I'd like to tell models and upcoming models and those people who want to become models that this is something that you absolutely don't have to do, because all the people in the industry, we are extremely clean, we are professional, and you get your jobs based on your credibility, and you do not have to do anything. You do not have to sleep around, you do not have to kiss anyone, you don't have to meet anyone for coffee or coffee in terms of in order to discuss a job, great, but for no other reason. To meet them for coffee, no.
But yeah.
Anjali,
आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है किसी ने आगे से आकर कुछ जैसा कास्टिंग काउच वाला कोई सिनेरियो किसी ने रखा है?
I think
नाम लेने की जरूरत
not really.
Huh?
I think not really.
Not really.
Not.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, my thing has always been, with regards to this, and I'm saying this on camera, that it completely depends on, जैसे बोलते हैं ना ताली दो हाथ से बजती है. It completely depends on how strong you are as a person as well, and how strongly you give in to the demands from the other side to get what you want out of them. So but I just wanted to understand, because I am on the other side of it. So I wanted to see from your side, have you ever encountered it? I don't know anybody who does it, but I just wanted to understand. Okay.
But there are people like that in the industry where you have to be aware of, because there's always someone trying to take off of someone.
Especially like the middlemen, like you don't even know who they are. And I don't know anyone, but I'm sure there are like some people trying to prey on like young girls, asking for nudes and things like that. Don't ever do that.
Exactly. So whenever somebody asks me, sir, somebody is asking us for money to register as a talent, I tell them the most stupidest thing you can do. You need to be paid. You should not be paying anybody.
Yes,
Secondly, if somebody asks you to go ahead and do anything which you do not agree with, never ever do that. Never.
Yes.
Because your life, it's your career. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Now I'm moving on to somebody said public relations. Archana said or Candice said? Candice said. Okay. So Candice has learned the trick of public relations. So I will not ask her. I will go.
That's what I say. It comes with experience.
It comes with experience. So I will go to because Nisha ने बोला कि मुझे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है यहाँ पे मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं बन रहा है ऐसे. निशा मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगा कि public relations is a very important part of any career that you get into. Okay, you as a model, how do you see public relations working in your modeling career?
See, I don't know. Till now, I put so much effort to make friends, or I just want to have some good relation with some particular person, but I don't know. Okay. So it depends on maybe this thing,
Experience.
your first interaction, or maybe I don't know, because I suffered a lot for that thing. Right now still I think like, oh मेरे में क्या कमी है यार, लोग मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं करना चाहते, oh लोग so मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा कंसोल कर लेती हूँ ये बोल के कि oh basically I'm from village, so people think like oh ये तो बिल्कुल गाँवड़ी है, तो इसमें तो ये नहीं होगा, तो
पर वो सारे
मैं
बोलते हैं
ज्यादा ये
ना,
सफर
तो
करती हूँ.
देख लो वो वहां पे बैठ के बहुत बड़े डिजाइनर का कैंपेन शूट कर रही है. Just FYI.
हाँ.
Continue.
Yeah.
Okay, coming to Archana then. Archana, because you've also been there for a long time, how important is public relations as per you?
It's very important for you to even like have, you know, during, say, even a recess during work, whether be it a shoot or fashion week, to even have a cup of coffee. It's, even though you're with like so many people around, it's just not nice to sit and have a cup of coffee by yourself. Like at least you need that one person to sit and talk to, or just complain about the madness that is happening,
Yeah.
and take out the frustration, or you know, things like that. So I, touchwood, never had that issue right from the beginning. My seniors, you know, be it Candy or be it Candy, or even, you know,
I'm very
Carol
protective
and
about all the new girls coming from the industry.
Nalika, Chinu, Netra, you know, all these senior most models I looked up to were very warm enough to like talk to, like even whether you're, you know, just appreciate them for what they, you know, for how they have been in this industry and given so much to this industry. So like that, this industry, you know, definitely made my speaking skills a lot more confident. So I used to go up to people and talk. And I think I used to be very childish back then. I used to make up like random words, and I'm sure like Candice and Rehan knows, like Gunuputu and, you know, Kuchi and things
Not
like
back
that.
then.
So,
You're still the same, and we love you.
Anjali,
yeah,
public relations.
I just think that people were warm enough with me, so it wasn't a big issue with me. But I do see a lot more younger models face that now.
So I will take it to a younger model only who's just come into the scene for some time now. Anjali, आपको कहीं पे ऐसी परेशानी हुई कि आप जैसे, you know, यहाँ पे सब लोग बोलते हैं अगर आप किसी एडिटर को जानते हो या किसी डिजाइनर को जानते हो या किसी से आपकी अच्छी बातचीत है तो आगे आपको काम आसानी से मिलता है, या आप मॉडल्स को जानते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पे, या बैक स्टेज टीम जो होती है अगर आप उनको अच्छे से जानते हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब काम ऐसे ही चलता है, आप मेरे दिमाग में हो तो आपको आगे से काम आएगा. आपके साथ ऐसी कोई परेशानी आई?
I think, as I already told you before also, it was like totally new experience for me. तो कहीं ना कहीं पहले 1-2 सीजन फैशन में I was very quiet and shy person. अभी भी मैं shy तो हूँ बहुत, like बोलने में घबरा जाती हूँ या तो नर्वस हो जाती हूँ, किसी से बातचीत नहीं करती हूँ. 10 फैशन में ट्रायल हुआ, खत्म हुआ, शो हुआ, खत्म हुआ, घर गया. बट ऐसे नहीं चलता है. डेफिनेटली like public relationships are very important. हमको बात करना चाहिए, भला बुरा, कुछ भी, फ्रेंड लोगों से बात करना चाहिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, अच्छी चीजें हो, सब चीज बोलना चाहिए. पब्लिक रिलेशनशिप होने से आई थिंक इज ट्रू कि आपको उस लोगों के दिमाग में जगह बनाना चाहिए. हाँ वो है, वो मुझसे अच्छे से बात करते हैं, वो ऐसे बोल रही थी कि हम लाइक क्वाइट नहीं बैठना चाहिए, चुपके से नहीं बैठना चाहिए. यू हैव टू लाइक एक्सप्रेस, यू नो, कि जो कुछ भी बात हो, कोई आपको दिक्कत हो रही है बताना चाहिए. सीनियर से सीखना चाहिए, जैसे कि यहाँ पे कैंडिस है, दीप्ति गुजराल, बहुत सीनियर मॉडल से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. एंड आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग. तो बहुत सारी चीजें, चाहे जो पब्लिक रिलेशनशिप हो, चाहे कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सॉल्व करने में, कुछ भी नहीं जाना, बहुत सारे.
Very good. So everybody just remember that public relations is an integral part of any career today, because आप जब जाके 4 लोगों से मिलते हो ना, तो आप उन 4 लोगों के दिमाग में अपनी एक जगह बना देते हो. उससे आपका एक बोलते हैं ना नेटवर्किंग, खाली बड़े लोगों को जो CEOs है, CXOs है, खाली उनको नेटवर्किंग नहीं करना होता है. हर इंसान को अपने लेवल पे नेटवर्क करना बहुत 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 जरूरी है.
Yeah.
Now, so all of you come across as you all love your job. Okay. Now I want to ask one thing. What do you hate about your job? Starting with Reha.
I think people in general can be kinder to each other. There are a couple of things that that aren't too conducive to a model, especially in India. But be it the timings, I think timing in general isn't respected. And I feel like as if things can get a lot more professional and people can finish their work and the job faster. And feel like, especially fashion weeks, we're working for such long hours and we do not get enough sleep. And I just feel like as if everything was according to schedule and everything was preset and everyone worked together. I know it's not, I know when we complain as models about the fact that we are working for 16 hours during fashion week, I know there are other things, behind the scenes that are going on in terms of the choreographer working with the designers and everything. But I just feel like as if it is something that can be achieved internationally, be it in a Paris or be it in a New York or be it in Italy, it is something that can be achieved here as well.
Okay.
And we do not have to be called about 4-5 hours beforehand. Prior to for a hair and makeup, which keeps changing over and over again while we're doing it right before a show. So if just people can just get more organized, I think in India, I think it'll help. Yeah, because especially during fashion week, when you're working for so many hours and then you barely get enough sleep and you come next day and we need to get sleep, we need to get good sleep, and then we need to go back home and then again travel all the way back, especially in Bombay, which takes forever. And your skin starts to look dull, you're tired and you're wired. And I just feel like as if everything's organized, we look better, we perform better, and it just helps everyone to do their jobs much better.
Janti, on a different perspective, because you do a lot of these ad shoots and all, what is that one thing that you hate about that kind of a scenario?
Same as at the time, the schedule, and because there's all these celebrities, Bollywood people who comes in and they are like, they just live like a queen life. They will just come when we just stay there for like, we do our makeup and everything and we stay there on the set like for 4 hours. And madam aati nahi hai. Madam is like, हाँ मैं खाना पीका आराम से madam aati nahi hai. And we wait, हाँ okay fine. And these people सिर्फ time pass, हाँ director से time pass, हाँ आप ऐसे खड़े रहो, आप वैसे खड़े रहो. 4 घंटा हो गया, madam अब तक नहीं आए. And we are like, okay fine, we'll go for lunch. We will just sit for lunch, okay? Like बैठे हैं हम लोग. चलो वापस चलो मैडम आ गई. I'm like अभी खाना, and I'm तो like listen, we need to have our lunch. I'm like अभी आया हम लोग, मैडम क्यों wait? This madam will come later, like we all will come later. Same like हाँ same 4 बजे 3 बजे का call time होता है, and then the set is ready by 10 o'clock. They will make us do makeup, and after makeup we can't even sleep also, na, because we have to be like this. So it's like so hard for us to even the call time, the schedule and everything has to be so done properly. And Bollywood stars, oh my, they need to like cool down. I think they need to cool down.
Candice, what do you hate about your job? I know you've been here for 20 years. Hardly there'll be anything that you hate by now or dislike.
No, I am a little emotional when it comes to certain aspects in the industry because I love my job.
Yeah.
And I put in 110%, you know that. A lot of people know that.
Yes.
What I hate is people don't respect, whether it comes to timing, whether it comes to a person, whether it comes to anything. One thing the industry has lost is respect for each other's time, each other, like manners, like basic manners. I think for me, respecting what you do is so important because then I expect the same. And if I'm giving 110%, I expect, the least I can expect is people respecting you as a person. Considering I've been there for so many years, that's the only thing that matters to me. I think everyone needs respect when you're working so hard.
Yeah.
Archana, what do
you... I'm only telling this because I have walked the runway for designer in New York as well. And it's all about the timing. We've been called, like, whether be it a shoot, whether be it a show, first and foremost, India works on a day rate. So when they book you, they're booking you for 24 hours, which is 1 day rate. But everywhere else in the West, they work maximum for 9 hours plus 1 hour. Or sometimes 8 hours plus 1 hour. And I think that is a normal working hours, like say a 9-to-5 job or like anything like that. A human body can work for maximum, say 10 hours, push it to 12. We work 16, 18 hours, sometimes consecutively And by the end of it, I don't know about others, I lose myself. Like, I start getting mentally like
Cranky.
irritated,
Hide.
frustrated,
Everyone,
mean.
yeah.
Like I just don't want to see people anymore.
Yeah,
Why?
Yeah.
Why should it be like that? Why can't our industry change into something respectable for the talent and for everybody else working? Why
Correct.
can't it pay us by hours?
Yeah.
Set it to 10 hours. We will still work 10 hours. Why? Indians are one of the most hardworking people in the world.
True.
Why are we pushed to a
And the
limit
sad
of
part is they start
working
blaming
in
you.
17 hours?
It's true. The
Why?
moment you start raising your voice, then that person is
Very
Yeah,
knocked
they
out.
start
Very, very-
blaming you because
Things are like unorganized at the schedule और punctuality नहीं होते, सब लोग unpunctual होते हैं, time पे नहीं पहुंचते हैं, इतना लेट हो जाते हैं. And दूसरी चीज सबसे बुरा लगता है जब अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता है. Food is more important for us, food.
true.
जब कोई खाना बुरा मिलता है इतना बुरा लगता है. हम इतना
गुस्सा
मेहनत कर रहे, खाना तो अच्छे से खाना चाहिए ना, खाना अच्छे से खाए तो तभी हमको एनर्जी मिलेगा, हम हेल्दी रहेंगे, तभी तो हम अच्छे से काम कर पाएंगे, अच्छे से एक्सप्रेशन देने को मिलेगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल लाइक समटाइम्स लाइक अर्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट में समोसे और सैंडविच. ओ माय गॉड, वो देखने के बाद बहुत दिमाग खराब हो जाती है. That is
Bada pav, they will get bada pav bhajia.
Dhokla.
Yeah.
Although they want very skinny and fit model, but still they provide some very messy and very bad food, and they want
Yeah.
very mentally fit body
Yeah,
model.
yeah.
I don't know why
We all become so gassy after eating all that.
Yeah,
You know,
correct.
no
And who
food,
eats
not
samosa
it.
in the morning? Yeah, oh
You
no.
know, like, I can feel my stomach has become twice, and I'm just
Gu-
like,
gu- gu-
"Arey,
gu-
now
gu-
how will I wear this lehenga choli now?"
Yeah.
No. Like, how can I
you know
show
after
off my
fashion week.
Okay, ये तो सबका favorite topic मुझे लग रहा है. क्योंकि
Everyone's hungry, basically.
So I will. It seems like they all are telling me now. I am not. I don't have anybody. I also work for them. Now coming to either out of all of you, there is only one person who's married here. So I'm going to take the question to her, and then I'm going to bring it on to all of you because you are not. Candice, has your career graph or has how you've been looked as a model changed since you got married?